wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. It's Makesi FC 0, Orlando Pirates 3. Orlando Pirates completing a double over Makesi this season. Remember, they won the first leg at the Orlando Amstel Arena by 2-0. Namhlanje it was 3-0. Junior, when we now second match, we watched another match earlier. Now Sbugala ESBN. Masingen, let's dive into it. Yeah, I'm okay, my brother.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise uJustice, ngibulise uBobo, ngibulise uNkululeko, ngibulise Benedict Sovilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Mina what's surprising me ukuthatha igame ngikhuluma angithi home team it's Makesi.
Yeah.
Ukuthatha igame enjengale uyise the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Carpet, the ground is big. And then you then have type of players that have a strong character technically that I don't believe they are good, better than Orlando Pirates. They don't have, I think the stage fright itself, I think labachiti bashayile. As cool mention game yonke.
Yeah.
I think the Pirates repel game of first 20, 25, 20, 80 minutes. Because not one of the best game compare Orlando Pirates is cool season yonke. But the professional, I think how they won the game today, it was professional. Yeah. They got 3 chances and then they buried them. Okay, I'm not too sure about the penalty. Yeah. But I think they forced their penalty. By far under pressure, Obi Tusi sends some mistakes. If you want to see the best of Orlando Pirates, must be on the game. Apolis as well must be in the game. Talented but as well. Well done to the coach to stick to Makete, this guy who evident Mahupa. I think better than not to say one of the best striker for Big Melang. We first chose Orlando Pirates, but because of Abanas striker is better than him. Much mean I will start with him because it's better than Umbutuma. I mean, he's got a height advantage. We are going to be Pirates, Amapola. And no core weight matters most. He's a threat as well. And with Batkaling, I think he well done too. I think he coach with Batkaling because he need Pirates advantage. We ask good Mam Lalisa Lapa. Orlando Pirates, every time they play, banokufuna yena lapha and he's got 2 players ubamba yonke le pressure le awuthola ukuthi na abo Asian abo Apolis abo Relebogile Mfokeng Tito Maswangai baba thola ukuthi baba relieved ngizonika uTito Maswangai one of the best first half udlalile umchita he even got the goal. Very composed goal la kombonile uTito lo mina ngimaziyo lo like slowly is coming to the party. Well done to the coach. I believe also no Relebogile Mfokeng and Apolis. I think it was a blessing in disguise. Gutumrima Adimale, and then for Tito blessing in disguise because now we actually chance and we crepa. Well done to Tito. Because Guneke might if not mistaken, he came a Kaizer Chiefs. If not, the game that he came as a sub, it did nothing for me. And Gulama came. I think it's back to back.
Stellenbosch. Yeah.
Yes, it did very well. That's for me.
Yeah.
Well done to Tito. But truly speaking, not one of the best performance for Orlando, but professional performance in terms of we ask now psychologically. It's not all about how you play. Psychologically, if Sundowns wants 174, it's okay. Strong enough for the fact that these guys are win. I mean, they keep on winning. Now we've got a game in hand too, and now we need to win our games. We are under pressure, but well done to Orlando Pirates. Psychologically, babe ne mentality strong. Second half, Pirates. I think first half they were rushing the Pirates. They were in her and understand for what. Ile nto ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi bebana this thing with maybe Sundowns will come and score ama goal amaningi. No, the Pirates bane goal different. Ahead of Mamelodi Sundowns. And Pirates second half they come a bit composed. They managed the game very well, even get a penalty. Though I believe many penalty it was soft. That's for me. But There was no way this team could beat Orlando Pirates, honestly. Makesi in all departments, they fail. They can't build at the back. They don't have players that can change defense Orlando Pirates. Abanama player that can hold the position, and circulate the ball. I mean, it's the way tactically how they approach. It looked like if Pirates they wanted to score more goals, if Pirates they were chasing goals, they might score even 10, 11 goals here. But because of Pirates, they know already that we've been scoring a goal. And Tina, in terms of goals, now we just need to win. 3 points is very important. So Pirates be basuta the ground. Pound to pound, they can't compete with Orlando Pirates with players. And I'm surprised with that game owner. It's your game. We try to set up. I don't know how type of players that can compete with Orlando Pirates.
You think mhlawumbe if we waited by Sishekh, mhlawumbe they would have gotten something out of this game?
I mean, bebangadlala mhlambi low block. Now Paris needed to think too much. Phela mawudlala low block, udlala ground encane.
Yeah.
And then you play low block. Angisifene low block, but Gibo, ngala ma player banawo. I mean, truly speaking, Shane. Bapaki pass and then barla kulo 1 or 2 speed. Paris bekuzomedi overthink. But my ground man vuleke kanje. So stretch, sinfake phakathi, sin stretch. So individual brilliance on the Pirates and also a teamwork. I mean, Usbedebede had to go forward and score because they were not even attacking him. Yes, Bedebede, I know he's been scoring vital goal for Orlando Pirates. But how many times they shot? How many shots on target?
Only one.
I think first up in a corner, I'm not too sure, 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Second half, even 1 corner, I'm not too sure. So it's disappointing and it's me who freeze coach even Uchekili as a general manager now becoming an assistant. But it is a good barricade, we need to be honest. I mean, how they play. It's structure sabo nje. I mean, Shane has been never.
Usibelebele uqale isizini kahle. Isizini esibihamba kind of dropped the form, but in the last couple of games, it seems like we are Phakamisa. Remember in the game against Stellenbosch where he won the man of the match. He played also namhlanje, had a solid game at right back. What did you make of him? And Cameron Danson, he also played against Stellenbosch. Played I think 10, 15 minutes, but namhlanje he played about 30 minutes. Coming on for Cash Maketleni Makaula. What did you make of those two players, Usbelebele and also Cameron Danson?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates is a big team. Yenze kahle ukuthi imidlalo isimdrope from laba msana ayiwinga phela. Ile nto yenzeke ngabokhulisha indawo bamsana kule parts ayiwinga and then drop him because Orlando Pirates ama decision making had to mele ucabange better. So egemini namhla asikhulumi nje ngesizini njengoba ngibuza. Start isizini kahle. I mean, akhumbula ngathi what the Sundowns that guy won. He started, he was on song. Yabo uqale kahle Orlando Pirates, especially as a wing back, very dangerous coming late. You understand? It's got speed. Decide ama game and was recover kamnandi but akakwazi ukumakha lo mfana. But to right yena because if umhluphi uzohlupha wena. You going to defend against him. Uyiwinga. So isizini uyiqale kahle walimala. I think imdistepile leyo nto leyo. Now I think it's coming all right and I'm not too sure about the coach and national team, but the national team, World Cup is a different stage. We can't rely to a player that can't defend and go forward. That's all. You understand? And Bazokshaya, you need to be smart. You understand? You need to calculate. The priority when you assign the contract, you assign as a right wing back. So a Pirates as a wing back because if you umdlalisa state as a wing, Pirates itlapha enkulu bese sobona ama mistake wakhe amaningi. Une speed into engiyibonile ngayithi thinking yakhe. So coming late, I think we decide kahle uza late and he score goals and are vital. Well done to him. Mele simshayile futhi izandla. But if besingayi ku World Cup, bengizomni coach beyizo bekumele imnike chance kuma friendly games. Dansil one of the best talent. I just forgot for me goal lakhe it's a content of goal of the season. Amfani goal lakhe ulishayile. Bazomnika goal of the season. Weaker foot to Sharon Williams. And truly speaking, Shane, it's a pity under 23. They are no longer playing. That boy is supposed to play under 20, under 23. Now, imkhuthaze le nto le sengikhuluma nge-international level, junior, international level. Lo mfana uDansil, it's a pity udlala eklabhini enkulu Orlando Pirates, yabo, whereby a lot of players are performing. So ispace uzosithola kanjani. He's a defensive midfield player, this boy. But uyambona is composed, technically very good. Mabuye school. School angithi uyazi it's more badlala yona khala lona ibhola it's one touch two touch and you must able ukudlala off the ball. I-first touch maybe be right, must have a vision, maybe screen. So unazo lezo zinto. It's a pity ukuthi nje la talent only is not enough funeka ne character. So but yena I mean, for me, Shane, so far so good because umfana ungenile against Sundowns he scored. Not ukuthi he had one of the best game ngalela langa, but scoring nge-weaker foot away from outside the box. So umfana manje during the week against Stellenbosch ushaya ipali. So ukuthi bam-introduce, well done to the coach. Wari futhi naye ngifuna ukumcompliment. I mean, thatha isikhathi ukuthi ngize ngimcompliment, kumele ngimcompliment because uthathe icathulo enezikhulu. True, bekunama expectation, but he's one of the talented coach ngimbonile unayo ingcondo ebhola though i-experience ngisazosho mina akakayiwini league Pirates still need to win 2 games and it's not going to be easy but kumele ngimcompliment because team yakhe liwedlala ngakhona they play in style mfethu yabona mina team mina ngisifene coach wina nje no mina I don't go nge-hype shit ngiyaxolisa but the team win style well done to this guy wide ngimele ngimshayele and his players to adapt his style insakhe so azange ashintshe into eningi from Jose Rivera into ayishintshile is to manage igame iyakwazi na yes as much as the speed there is a managing of a game kuwado we have a rated game yakhe and well done to kuba solid at the back as well and it's enye into engimbonile ku Pirates uyewayenza i-team yakhe yaba solid and it's a pity to lose this guy Mbogazi and I wish if Bekano Mbogazi I don't think amanye amagame ngabe waluzile but kumele ngimcomplimente ngimshayele izandla I think coach of the season noma ngabe Sundowns Pirates kwenzakala whatever yayewin league mina coach of the season ngamnika because this guy competed with younger players he gave them chance and he gave them good abaz express so and dominating for national team so coach of the season South Africa ngazi indaba ngiyazisebenza ngenye indlela team that won the league must win coach of the season kuba ibara if mesingaba nevar bekungameka ngasibheke nama results noma ngabe Pirates lose league coach of the season bengizomkhaya
Junior Kanye, that's it straight from his mouth uthi whatever happens for yena coach Abdeslam Wadu is the 2025-2026 coach of the season. At the new Peter Mokaba Stadium, it's Magesi, Neil, Orlando Pirates 3. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.